Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have the file and a problem. Act now. First, save a backup copy so you can revert if needed. Once done, enable editing and check the workbook calculation mode. Automatic keeps formulas live, manual pauses updates. Then quickly scan the sheet for visible error codes like #ref or hash value. These tell you where formulas broke. Make sure data types look right, numbers versus text, because Excel treats them differently, and that's often the root cause. Now diagnose how formulas compute and why they fail. Use evaluate formula to step through calculations and trace precedents to see input cells. That shows where bad data comes from. If numbers are stored as text, convert them with value, trim, or text to columns. Formatting mismatches often break SUMs and lookups. Also verify named ranges and whether formulas need absolute addresses like. If Excel flags a circular reference, either remove the loop, finish by forcing full recalculation with Ctrl plus Alt plus F9 so every formula refreshes, then inspect totals and charts, make a clean saved copy. If corruption persists, copy worksheets into a new workbook to isolate issues, or recreate a problematic formula from scratch to eliminate unseen characters. Finally, share the fixed copy and lock critical ranges if needed. Troubleshooting tip. If changes break everything, use Auto Recover or your backup to restore a previous state, then apply fixes incrementally to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.